Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Quantum Unicorn. The problem we are solving in this video is valid anagram. First, let's review the problem statement. We are given two streams, S and T, and we need to determine whether T is an anagram of S. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So the main idea is to check whether the two streams S and T have the same set of characters and whether each character occurs the same number of times in both streams. If the two streams have different lengths, then they cannot be anagrams of each other, right? So therefore, the first step is to check whether S and T have the same length. If they do not have the same length, the function returns false. And if the two streams have the same length, then the function uses a for loop, to iterate through each unique character in S. The set S function creates a set of unique characters in string S. And inside the loop, the count method is used to count the number of occurrences of the current character IDX in both S and T. If the counts are not equal, it means that the current character is not present in T the same number of times as it is in S, and thus T is not an anagram of S. In that case, the function returns false, since this means that T is not an anagram of S. And if the loop completes without returning false, it means that all the characters in S also appear in T and the same number of times. Therefore, T is an anagram of S, and the function returns true. Overall, the provided solution here uses a simple and efficient approach to check whether two streams are anagrams of each other. It checks whether the two streams have the same set of characters and whether each character occurs the same number of times in both streams. The solution runs in linear time, O of n, where n is the length of the input streams, since it only needs to iterate over each character once and perform a constant amount of work for each character. All right, that's all for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and also please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon on to receive the latest updates. Happy coding, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.